Hi friends, Elisa here. Today I want to share with you 5 pages that I made for my Project Life album. I used the March 2024 hip kits from Hip Kit Club. For the first page I use 2 cards from the Project Life kit, and then I used the bicycle that you can find in the die cuts because I want to remember the day when we went to buy the new bicycle for my kids, and then we stopped to eat an ice cream. Since the bicycle has these blue and soft colors, greens, I decided to use in the background papers and embellishment with the same colors. In the main kit you can find the ribbons. I love them because when you use them instead the die cuts, you can see the background behind them. They are very cute, so I use the butterflies, some little hearts, but in the other pages I also used the clouds, the color me happy phrase. I think they are so cute. In the second page I decided to use other colors, more yellow, pink, orange, and I chose 2 cards from the Project Life kit and some embellishments. In this case I want to remember the day when we saw for the first time a double rainbow in our backyard. It has been a magical moment, so I think these embellishments are perfect to document this moment and don't forget it. I added a white tag behind the picture, so in this way the picture will stand out. Then I add a little number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 near every picture, and then I use the same number in the journaling, so every picture is connected to the journaling. I used this Pocket Life card, and I decided to write the journaling in these white stripes, and in every stripe I added the journaling referred to a picture. I felt inspired by the Pocket Life March stamps kit, and in particular I love the little camera roll stamp. I used it 5 times in every color stripe of the journaling card, and then in this kit, in the stamps kit, you can find 5 little numbers that you can stamp inside the camera roll. I think it is amazing. I decided to add the title on the top of the card using the little alphas, and I used the same colors that you can find in the 5 colored strips, so blue, orange, pink, green, yellow and yellow. For the 4th and the 5th page, I used the metal dies, in particular the Paintbrush metal dies and the flowers that you can find in the March kits. It's very easy to document more than one moment using the Pocket Life card, because they are created just to make easy the process. So in this case, in the blue card, you can find a place where you can put your title, and then 3 little white rectangles where you can add the pictures, and in this way it's very easy to document 3 moments in just a few minutes. And now it's time to finish the decoration on the page with the paintbrush. I was torn whether to add a picture under the paintbrush or to add some embellishment. And then I saw these amazing flowers and leaves, metal dies, so I decided to use them. I hope to have inspired you to create some easy and simple pocket life pages for your album, and have a scrappy day. Bye!